Hello guys, today we're gonna review our Yonaka Exhaust. It's been 3 years since I installed my exhaust on my Honda Civic, and this is my daily driving car. It's been 3 years about rain, summer, winter, salt on the roads, about at least 60 miles every day I put on this car because of my work. And I want to show you after 3 years my exhaust and the sound of the Yonaka exhaust. And as you can see, I have stock headers on it. The only thing I have is the intake by Password GDM. The engine is a V16A2, and we're gonna take a look. We're gonna take a look of our exhaust after three years. So there you go. We're gonna start at the very beginning. So that's the end of the header, and that's the exhaust. It looks pretty good for 3 years daily driving car. I will say it doesn't have any problems, any leaks or anything. So it's pretty good for 3 years. We're gonna take a look at the pipe. Take a look at that pipe after 3 years of use. Looks pretty good. We're gonna take a look at it. Yeah, look at it. There you go. Oh shit, sorry. Right here, doesn't seem to have, a little bit of rust, but it's like a normal. You can see it's no problem at all. I really like it. No problems with it. So right now we're gonna have a sound test. See if it's still working. I'm gonna turn it on. I have a V16A2 engine on it. We're gonna check it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive the car 2 times. The first time I'm gonna go very gentle, and the second time I'm gonna go a little bit faster so you can hear the sound of this exhaust. I'm gonna put the phone right here. Right, it should be good. I hope it doesn't fall. So there we go. So there you have it, a 3-year-old Yonaka exhaust on my 1997 Honda Civic hatchback. with a V16A2 engine from a 2000 Civic Si. Now this exhaust, there's two different ones for this especially model, right? You can find the one who has the pipe long enough so you don't have to buy the catalytic delete or whatever you call it, or you can just take off your catalytic converter, or you can buy the other one that fits with the catalytic converter in. So it's up to you. There's two different ones. You can tell the difference in the pictures. One has the pipe longer than the other one. I have the one that has the pipe long enough, so I don't have the catalytic converter or anything. It's just like, let's say a straight pipe, I believe. I don't know, but that's what it is. So hope this video help you. I'm not trying to help Yonaka to sell any exhaust or anything. I'm just trying to see if someone is looking for exhaust and doesn't know, which way to go, what to buy. But this exhaust is for a pretty good price, and after, like I say many times, after 3 years of use, it's still pretty good. You can see it's nice and shiny. So thank you for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.